Hey, how you doing? Dan Land Pro here. Look, Adobe Premiere is now on mobile app. You can download it. It's free. Go check it out. I think some of the only things you probably would have to pay for is credits when you want to use AI, generative AI, and things like that. We're going to show you right quick how to go about getting in Adobe, downloading it on your app, and going to work. I tried it out earlier. It's a nice little mobile piece, and you can also bring it in to your desktop. Okay, so here we are. I've already downloaded my Adobe app. So if you just go to App Store, you can search and just put in Premiere Pro. And there you have it, Premiere Pro. As you see, I already got it. So what you would see something that says Get, G-E-T. Then you can get it. So don't worry about paying for it right now. It's free. Hey, just download it and go to work. So now once you got it downloaded, you will see a icon on your phone. I can go open it here, but I'm gonna go to the icon so you can see that will be on your phone. Actually, it will be just like this. See that Premiere Pro logo? So you just click it. And there it is. As you see, I already got some in here. So if you want to start, you can just pick some. I'm just gonna pick one little thing to bring it in. These are just some stuff I've been playing with. So I'm just gonna bring in one picture. And that's my timeline. You see we got a timeline. I can nudge through my timeline to the right, nudge back to the left. So you just got so many things. That's frame forward, frame back. And then you see all your other little goodies in here. It's my play button. And then you got your video and images. So if I want to bring another image in, you see down here where it say photo library, Adobe stock, generative image. And that's where you got to watch your credits, things like that. Because you might have to pay for your credits if you use all your credits up. You got generate sticker, you got image to video. That's another thing, which is a paid Firefly thing sometimes. You might want to play around with it. Just test everything out. Files, blank. Just test everything out. Then you got your music over here. So you see you can do soundtracks, voiceovers, sound effects, generative sound effects, extract audio, your music, your files. So you want to do your voiceover, you want to do your music. They also let you download music, so you can go and get soundtracks right here. See, there go my soundtracks. You can choose from all these royalty-free Adobe soundtracks to use in your projects. You also have sound effects. As you see here, you got sound effects. And then you have your voiceover. So if you want to do a voiceover, just hit this button and start doing your voiceover. And then you'll be back in business. So you got all those different things. Now you got titles and captions. So they gave you a few templates as far as titles. So you just hit right there and then you can type a word. So let's just type some letters. Then I'm gonna hit check. So now you see I got my title here, and then I can change my title as far as some of the styles that they offer in different ways. And this is how things would come up. So that's pretty much it as far as that go. Now, if you want to do, this is how we delete. We can duplicate that. And you can also do captions in here. When you go back, see right here where it say titles and captions. You see, I can caption. So no Medium project can be transcribed. So I haven't put any voiceover or anything in there for it to read. So it could transcribe it and capture it. And then once you get everything done, you know how your regular things go. You just go right up here and you can export your video. You can pick your frame rate, your resolution. You see you got 720, you got 1080, you got 4K, you got 24, 25, 30, and 60 as far as your frame rate, quality, low, medium, high. Estimated file size, so it's telling you everything. You hit that export button and then that is our video. Now, if I want to send it to desktop or send this project to desktop, you see this button right here. I just hit that button and this program will go into my desktop where it will give me more bells and whistles as far as what I want to do in Premiere. So let's X out of there for a minute. And you can also stack these things so you can have different layers inside of Premiere Pro Mobile, and then you can play around with all these other parameters up here. So like if I pick something that I want to put on a clip, you see how that changed the resolution, or it changed the way went to full screen. So you can change that screen without having to flip your phone all around and do all those different things. Right here you can see I can change my aspect ratio. So if I wanted that long, make shorts, they give me all my different parameters in here. So this is pretty much auto. So you don't have to worry about playing around with a lot of things if you want to change your aspect ratio 16:9, 4:3, which is an older format. You see that little square, it'll give you those labels where you don't have to worry about the aspect ratio with that. So you just got pretty much everything in here. You got Facebook, you got that 1-in-1, you got all that you need right here. And you also have it where if you put a transition in here with 2 clips or so, and you want to mess around with the motion, over here you see where it say animation. So if you want to mess around with the motion, once you pick this, if I had more than 1 clip on my timeline, then I can apply it to all. So they got to apply it to all button right here where you see the check mark. So you just got so many little bells and whistles inside of this program, and just have fun with it. Play around with it, see if it's something you like. So the next time you're out on a stepper set and you want to get some footage and you want to play around with it, you can produce your little clips right there on the scene, pop them up on your social media, or you can wait till you get home and forward them to your desktop and put a little more adjustments to them and make a very nice project. Okay, so that's pretty much it. How to use Adobe Premiere on your mobile app. It's something simple. I try to bring you things whenever I get the news about something new. I try to bring it to you. We are used to Adobe Rush. I go in there and do a lot of little video clips, change the aspect ratio. It's a pretty cool program by Adobe as well. So many programs to share. Hey, I just try to do my part. Hey, until next time, my name is Danland Pro. Don't forget to support us, youtube.com, Steppers Express, Danland Pro, and Webmaster Dan. Peace.